Hey there, have you ever wanted to send a bunch of emails at once but didn't know how? Let's chat about how you can use Gmail for bulk emailing. It's super easy and a game changer for staying in touch with everyone. Want to learn some tips and tricks together? So hello everyone, I hope everything is doing well first. So in this video I will show you how you can send bulk emails using Gmail like a pro. The first step that you have to do is just dive into Gmail, and then you have to dive into Mail Merge, and then I will show you how you can create a mail merge. So the first one, it's about Gmail. You have just to create an account on your Gmail by just diving into firstmail.google.com. Then you have just to create an account and you get started. If you already have an account, you have just to link your account as I did. This is my account and you have just to get started as soon as possible. Or you can just here click over Gmail and you get started with Gmail, and then you get started with creating or sending a bunch of emails at once. Alright, so firstly, what is bulk emailing? Bulk emailing is a fantastic way to keep everyone in the loop first, whether you are sharing updates, promoting an event, or just checking in with friends and family. I will go through the steps to do it effectively, and I will also share some tips to make sure your emails land in the right inbox and don't get marked as spam. Alright, so let's get started. So now that we have covered why bulk emailing is so useful, let's dive into the steps. But hey, before we do, let me just say something. If you have just or you are thinking this sounds complicated, don't worry, I promise I'm right here with you. So let's get started. Now we have just firstly to grab your laptop and let's jump into it together. I will carry out each step and feel free to pause the video and catch up if you need to. The first one, I will just dive into mail.google.com as I said, and then you have just to create an account or link in your email or your Gmail account and you get started. Then we have here mail merge. You have just to dive into mail merge and you'll find this page. As you can see, I've just to create over the first one, or about this one you have you use email merge for bulk emails, letters, billables, and envelopes as well. So I will just click over the first one and you will find other page, which is this one. As you can see right now, I will show you how you can create firstly a mail merge with Gmail and Google Sheets. So let's get started. So here we have created a Gmail ML merge with Gmail and Google Sheets. Let's get started. Here we have the objectives. You have just in this course that you have to, and you will just understand what the solution does, understand what the application script services do within the solution, serve the script. Then we have run the script as well. Then we have here about the solution also, and here we have how you can set up the script as well. So here we can just create the application script project. You have to click the following button to make a copy of the Gmail sheets, mail merge, simple spreadsheets, and we have here the application script project for the solution is attached to the spreadsheet. You can just click over make a copy and you'll find other page, which is this one. Firstly, you'll find this one and you click over make a copy and you'll find here how you can just add the first name, the last name, the recipient, and or the email address and the description. Then we have here the discount code and the discount amount. All right, so I will show you how you can do that before after, sorry. Then we have here how you can create. In the second step, we have here in your copied spreadsheets, update recipients column with email addresses you want to use in the mail merge. And we have the third one, add, edit, or remove columns to customize the data you want to include in your email templates. Then we have here how you can create an email template. You have just in your Gmail account create an email draft to include data from the spreadsheets in your email. Use placeholders that corresponds to column names surrounded, and here we have the condition. Then we have here copy the subject, and here we have how you can just run for the script. You have just to click mail merge and send emails. Then you might need to refresh. So this is some text that you have to know. Then you have the second one, which is when prompt authorized. You have just to concentrate the applies to warming, and then we have click mail merge, send emails, paste the email in, and about the modification. Then we have contributors, and we have also here next steps how you can do that. So right now let's just go to the Gmail sheets and you click over here and you'll find other page, which is this one. As you can see right here we have Google Sheets. You can just copy the document, and you have would you like to make a copy of Gmail Sheets mail merge. I will just click over make copy, or you can just view application script file. I will click over make a copy and you will find other pages you can see. Alright, if you have something that you don't have to modify it, like here the first name, the last name, the recipient, and the description or the discount code, you can just modify it if you want. You can just make here for about the description. You don't have to modify it. You have just to modify the discount code and discount amount, and you have just to put whatever you want about the title of each one. Then you have here to add the name of the person that you have to add, and also the last name. Then you click over recipient, and here we have the description and the discount code and also the discount amount. So now we have just to go to the Gmail, and here we have to click over compose, and then you have to just find this one, as you can see. So here we have the one that I add. For example, here you have just to add recipient. Firstly, you have just to add here this one. We have the two of, or I don't know what called, which is in parentheses or something like that. So it's just some logos, and you have just to add it. I know that you know what is it, and then you have to put here the recipient, as you can see. So if we come back, we have here the recipients, as you can see. Then you have just right now to add here here we have the description, as you can see. I added here. Here we have, hey, here is the discount code, and you have just to put your discount code here and the parentheses for this amount. And here we have, hey, and you add the first name. Then we have here, I'm reaching out to you, send you this amount discount code. I hope to subscribe to us for more existent offers. Let us know what this experience is like for you. Thanks. And you have to add Jordan here, and you click over send, and you have just to select the one that you want to send it, and you have right now to put here the name and the last name, the recipient, and you add the description, the discount code, and the discount amount. Then you click over mail merge, and you click over send mails, and then you click over OK here. And here we have a script attached to this document needs your permission to run. Then here we have this one, as you can see. Have just to select the one that you want to send it, and you get started, and you're done with that. All right, so here we have how you can do that. So to set up your Google Sheet for bulk emails, create a new sheet with headers like name, email, subject, and message. Then fill in the rows with the details for each recipient. Use a placeholder like name, the message for personalization. This structure will facilitate the mail merge process for sending emails. And that's it, how you can do that. And right now, this is how you can send in bulk emails with Humol. Is super easy once you know the steps. I hope you found this helpful, and feel free to give it a try. Remember, you can reach out to so many people in just a few clicks. If you have any question or run into any issues, don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to help. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and happy emailing. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.